Hello friend and welcome to today's video, and today we're going to be talking about the Oslo University 4.0 freelancing course. So in case you've enrolled or probably you're thinking about enrolling for the freelancing course inside the Oslo University, also known as the Real World course, and today we're going to be discussing about this. And as you know, this is owned by Andrew Tate, and the freelancing is an aspect whereby you render services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and you use this to make money online. And this guy claims that the person that is going to be teaching you in this freelancing course has already made close to $1 million when it comes to the freelancing niche. It's a course among the Oslo University curriculum, which is owned by Andrew Tate, and it calls the tutors professor. As you can see right here is the platform on the page of the Oslo University 4.0, and as you can see Andrew Tate right there, and part of them is the freelancing. You can see several one here. We have the e-commerce, copywriting, crypto, fitness, business, and UGC stock, freelancing, and AI skills. The AI has just been added, and this course costs $49.99, which is roughly $50. And from the feedback of some of the team members that I have, I belong to a group actually, whereby we go ahead and probably enroll for some courses to learn more about them and help others to make the best decision before they go ahead to enroll for the course. But based on some of the feedback that I got from some of my team and group members, one of them is Chloe right here, and what Chloe actually said is that it's kind of overrated and not really special. That is what she said. And if you think about this is something that is kind of overrated truly, because fine, it's $50 right there, but just think about it. You're going ahead to compete with a lot of people, because these guys also, they have thousands of students that have enrolled for this. So looking at this, you can see that it's kind of overrated, because it's also a way for Andrew Tate to also make money in the long run. Although this is a guy that I respect a lot, but I feel this is just something overrated and also not really special. So that is what Chloe said, and the fact that she is into freelancing already, so she felt like some of the things being taught there might not really be too much underrated. All right, so now talking about the another team member that I have right here is Brian, and what Brian actually said is that as a freelancer, I would say it's more suited for beginners. Oh yes, just like I said earlier, it's more suited for beginners who don't know anything concerning freelancing and probably just want to learn more about the freelancing world. But if you're an expert in freelancing already, this might not be something that you might want to go for. But for beginners who do not know anything about freelancing, then this is okay. This is what Brian said, and as you can see from his feedback, that is what he talked about in the group, and he said it's majorly for beginners and not experts who already know what they want. But if you're a beginner, you want to know some stuffs about freelancing, how to get started, it's everything is gonna look too cool to you, which is normal. I recommend it for beginners to get started with and probably learn one or two things. And also, if you're an expert, you might be able to also learn one or two things from the Discord group. But it doesn't actually mean that you will make a lot of money just from enrolling for this program, the freelancing aspect of the Oslo University. And another feedback that I got is from Todd, and Todd said, I enjoyed the program and I learned one or two. Just like I said, Todd is a beginner, he's not a freelancer, he's majorly a coach, whereby he has several courses that he sells on the internet. Although it's not all these high ticket guys, he just sells low ticket products. And as you can see, Todd feels that this one is a good one because he enjoys the program and he felt too overjoyous for him. And he said he enjoys the program because I learned one or two. So that is it. As a beginner, you're gonna be learning from this. It doesn't mean that it's totally wrong, but for experts or probably intermediates who are already into freelancing world, they might not really see something with this, because they'll just feel like this is something they already know previously and it's not really something special. So it is normal in case you're somebody who is already an intermediate in freelancing and you find this not something worthy, that it's normal, because some of the things being taught there can easily be gotten from the Google search or just from YouTube search. A lot of tutorials are right there on YouTube that you can use to get started. But however, just like I said, this course is cheap, $50. It's okay for you to risk out compared to all those ticket courses out there that can cost $5,000, $4,000, $10,000. But Andrew Tate is doing very good for him to be able to charge less. So meaning it's also make it more easy for everybody to easily afford without any further stress. Well, those are the only feedback that I got after asking some of my team members. Now let's talk about discussion about freelancing and explain a little bit about what freelancing is about, and also some of the setback that a lot of people might encounter. As you know, freelancing refers to a type of work arrangement where individuals offers their skills and services on a project or task basis, rather than being employed by a single company or on a full-time basis. All right. And also talking about freelancers, they are self-employed and often work remotely, providing services such as writing, design, programming, or consulting to various clients out there. There's several other services that these guys render as a freelancer. So in case you want to join freelancing, you need to know that you need to have a skill for you to be able to survive in this niche. And also, these guys have flexibility to choose their projects, set their own schedules, and work for multiple clients simultaneously. That is it about the freelancing. And talking about some of the setbacks that make people quit freelancing journey. Even from this type of course, which is the Oslo University. The first one is the competition among other established freelancers. There are several other freelancers out there that are already into this, so you stand more chances of getting competition from these guys. And before I even move further, I'm very sorry that I didn't tell you, but Dylan is the one who is going to be taking you on freelancing journey. He is the professor in this university, in this department called freelancing, that is going to be taking you on the freelancing journey. As you can see right there, freelancing, we have Dylan, we have Andrew copywriting, and Silad, DeFi, and NFTs, and several other ones. I'm not going to talk about those ones, but I just want you to know that Dylan is the tutor of the freelancing course in the Oslo University program. Also, going forward, we have competition among students you both in the Oslo University program. Thousands of students have enrolled for the Oslo University. I mean, a lot of thousands. I mean, over 20,000 students have already enrolled for the Oslo University. So you can see a lot of competition in the freelancing is for you. So anything that these guys might probably be teaching you, they also have competition of people who have already enrolled for these and probably using the same techniques and strategies that you might want to go ahead to use. Going further, when it comes to the aspect of the freelancing world entirely, we have the lower rates because newcomers might need to accept lower rates initially, to attract clients and build repetition, which can make it harder to earn sustainable amount of income. All right. So another thing you have to know is skill development. Okay, so you need to gain new skills and staying updated in the competitive market. Freelancing, and which can be challenging without structured training and mentorship. Although these guys are gonna be training you, but there is no mentorship in this. It's more like you're just in a group of Discord people and you're learning, because where you're gonna be learning is from Discord. So this guy's gonna be teaching you from Discord, and they have thousands of students who are already enrolled and getting into these and getting access to all these courses. All right, and aspect of freelancing. So you have thousands of people out there that are competing with you. Lack of networking is something that I don't really feel about freelancing, because building a professional network takes time, and you as a beginner can miss out on opportunities due to limited connection. Now, if you want to ask me if this is worth your time, maybe if this is worth your investment in these, then I would say, well, it is also, but and it is not. Okay, you can go for these and learn more from this guy Dylan, or you can just stick through with whatever you've been learning on on YouTube, because or everything that you're gonna be learning there is something you could easily get from YouTube. I mean, free tutorials are right there on the internet, and they can help you to scale through and probably make money with freelancing. All right. So and the thing is that it's okay for beginners to get started. Okay, beginners like Todd, who said he enjoys the program and he learned one or two. But someone like Brian or Chloe, who has already been into freelancing what already, then they might not see this as a way to make money, because most of the things that they've already said in the program, they already know about it. Okay, so YouTube tutorials and blog posts can easily see you through on whatever they are saying in this program. And talking about Andrew Tate himself, you know that he's an American, British American former kickboxer, and this guy's a social media personality. I mean, I respect this guy a lot, because he's one of those guys that give out motivational posts and thoughts out there, and also tell you the fact, tell you their mind, which is kind of cool. He actually get attention for his participation in reality TV shows and controversial statements on various topics. Okay, and I've been a world champion kickboxer and competing in several combat sports. Tate has gained a lot of followers on Twitter, which is where he posts most of his thoughts. And with this, he has been able to, impact several people, and also a lot of people see him as a controversial fellow. But however, this guy is also doing everything possible to help newbies to get started. Those who don't, have a lot of money to invest in tickets programs out there, and this can help you to get started easily. Okay. So, however, if you want to go for this, you can decide to give this a try. There's nothing bad in it. It's all cool. You can, just pay $50 and try to just check out how it works. You're gonna get connection with several other people out there, because it's even on Discord. You can use it to build more connections with a lot of people out there. It's not bad there. aside the fact that you might, learn some of the things you could get on the internet just from a YouTube search or a Google search, it's also cool because it helps you build connection with several other people out there. And if you're into the internet marketing world, maybe you want to make money online, or you already have something you're into and you want a side also to earn more money, because we all want several streams of income to make more money. Like one stream of income is not okay to, get you all stand up and rolling and being able to, fly around the world and live comfortably. You need to have several streams of income. Or probably if you don't have one before and you want to quit your 9 to 5 job, then you can try the kind of business I am into, which is the usage of, YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. This is a type of business whereby you create 5 second silence videos on YouTube Shorts and you can use it to promote several affiliates products. Now, this type of business is free to get started. I mean, free capital, and you don't have to spend any money on adverts or probably keep competing with a lot of people on the freelancing world. This is something whereby you specific, and sometimes if you come to YouTube, you see some short videos, some YouTube short videos whereby the person is not even talking or probably just pointing to their screen or just showing only their phone screen, and they have millions of views on those videos, and they're using affiliate marketing to sell on that video, because affiliate marketing is even free to get started. I mean, you're even promoting another person's product. It's not your product. So, and you're getting a lot of commission just from that product, whereby 50% or 70% commission on that same product, and you're using this to make money. And that is not all. You also earn from ads revenue, because YouTube now adds ads revenue to any shorts that you upload. So this means you're using one stone to kill two birds by earning money twice just from this video. So you can have a YouTube short video, a silent video that has millions of views and also hundreds of thousands of views out there, and you can use this to make money online. So if you want to learn more about this, you can click the link in the video description, or check the screen right now. You're gonna see a link there. You can copy paste it in your browser and you can use it to learn more about this. Whereby my mentor is gonna be holding you by the hand to teach you about how this works. I don't have a course on these, okay? All I do is just give reviews and also tutor you online. But you're gonna be learning from my mentor once you click the link. So click the link or probably copy paste it in your browser, and you're gonna learn from my mentor how you can do this business successfully and you can get started with zero capital. Thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful, you can hit the red subscribe button or turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos, and also hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. Thank you very much for your time. See you in another video review. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.